am hanging out at Animal Kingdom, and I'm gonna go do something that I've never done at Animal Kingdom before. I'm headed over to Rafiki's Planet Watch area to do the Animation Academy. So I'm really excited. I've done this at Disneyland a handful of times, and I think it's so fun. So I'm excited to do it here at Animal Kingdom.
Can't wait to be king.
I just got my paper. I have the guidelines, which will be nice. And we will be drawing Simba.
So all of those computer animated animals that you see in that film, yes, were all computer animated. Real lions don't actually sing and dance. Sorry to bring it to you that way. But anyway, all of those animals were all based on our animals here at Animal Kingdom. They actually set up motion capture cameras and motion tracking cameras around our animals. In fact,
meet Dakari, an African lion. He may not look too busy if you come to visit him during the heat of the day. Being a carnivore, he is doing just what he needs to do. His strategy? It may be similar to some teenagers you know. Laying down and resting to conserve energy. Lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day. Dakari has this down to an art form.
We've got to draw Simba. We are drawing young Simba today. We don't really have enough room with a circle this big on our paper to get the mane and everything, and actually we're drawing young Simba. But we want to start with his eyes. And I know you're looking at this that was already pre-printed and thinking, oh man, they already did the circle for me. That means I don't get to draw a whole bunch of circles. That's terrible. No, you do still get to draw a bunch of circles. No worries. Fur on that side. Fill that in. And that, my friends, is bad parenting. And those of you in here that are from New Jersey want to fight those parents that never got their. I encourage you to look them up if you can. They're fantastic. They are all using animal inspiration to draw from, just like you. You all are now part of that same Disney legacy. Give yourselves a round of applause. But the most important part of your entire drawing is this. Sign it, so everybody knows whose masterpiece this is.
That was fun, so cute. I did do a fast pass for this experience, but it's definitely not something I would probably recommend fast passing. There's plenty of space, plenty of seats open, and I think that obviously fast pass would be a better use for some of the other attractions, but since I was just popping in for this, I decided to do it as a fast pass. So yeah, it's a really great experience. You get to see what it feels like to be an animator, and having the guidelines definitely helped. So I would recommend it, and especially if your kids like to draw, or if you like to draw too. I also thought it was really cool how they did kind of like a little video before about the lion to kind of pull in the educational piece. So, and they rotate what character they're going to draw depending on the time, and the class is every 45 minutes. I left Animal Kingdom and popped over to Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'm just going to check out the Mara, which is the quick service restaurant here, just to see what they have and hopefully get a zebra dome and just enjoy this resort because it's amazing.
I'm gonna be a mighty king, so enemies beware. Well, I've never seen a king of beasts with quite so little hair. I'm gonna be the main event, like no king was before. I'm brushing up on looking down, I'm working on my roar. And thus far a rather uninspiring thing. Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
And they have the savannah out there with animals, which is so cool, especially if you have a savannah-facing resort room, that you can see animals right from the balcony at your room. You can also just go sit out there and watch some of the animals from the deck. So I'm gonna head out there. They have a lot of seating out here. Some activities for the kids. I only see one out there right now. Oh, actually no, there's a couple back there. I think I see a zebra and something else. Oh, here's a bird. Hello. I don't see any giraffes right now, but maybe before I leave. Here's some of the savannah facing rooms. There is a fireplace. It's just super relaxing and detailed, and just the theming is incredible. Here's the check-in area. And I'm going to go find the Mara. So I'm now downstairs. There is the Boma restaurant. Here is the Jico restaurant, and it says that the Mara is this way, and it is the grab and go, so I will head that way. I'm passing the pool area. Lots of people enjoying the weather and having fun. Sounds really nice right now. It's kind of hot today. Okay, I found it. Here is the menu. Some flatbread, sandwiches, and they also do breakfast as well. Okay, so there's a lot of room in here, not too busy, which is nice. Ooh, I'm looking at the treats too. And I am going with the zebra domes for sure, but it all looks good. Wow, this looks really good. It's a butterscotch cashew cookie, an eclair. Wow. I ordered the chicken flatbread. It has sun-dried tomatoes, pesto, chicken, bacon, red onion, mozzarella, and like a ranch sauce on it. So it's really big actually, but I'm hungry, so that's good. For dessert, I got the zebra domes, which is basically white cake with chocolate ganache and white chocolate, and I think that the ganache has like a liqueur. Really good. If you like chocolate and cake, I think it's delicious. They are definitely rich, so I don't have anyone to share these with. I'll take them back to the hotel in putting them in the fridge, but they are rich for sure. The flatbread was good. It was big, so I did not finish it. Totally shareable, in my opinion. And I was hungry too, so it was good. I think it was something that you can definitely expect at a quick service restaurant. I definitely wouldn't come back here specifically for the flatbread, but I came here because I wanted a zebra dome, and they have a a fine menu here, and I wanted to come spend some time at Animal Kingdom Lodge, so it was a good little quick stop for me. And next time I come, I will probably be doing one of the sit-down restaurants. We've done Boma before, Sna with the bread service, lots of fun options here, so hopefully I will have something, a vlog with some of that stuff to come next time we're here. Before I leave, I'm gonna come out to this little deck to see if I can see any more animals. I do way back there, I see some zebras. There's a giraffe. So way back there, I see a zebra and a giraffe. I just don't have the best angle from where I'm sitting, but there's lots of viewing spots. That's where I was earlier. It's pretty cool. That was my quick stop to Animal Kingdom Lodge. Thanks for watching.